practice using the group 5 letter sounds. Our first spelling word is jam. Jam. You have 10 seconds to spell the word jam. Here's how you spell the word jam. Check your spelling if it's correct. Our next spelling word is chat. Chat. Again, you have 10 seconds to spell the word chat. Now, check your spelling word if it's correct. You can put a tick if you've got it right. Our next spelling word is van. Van. Listen to our next spelling word. Vet. Vet. Now, you can check if you were able to write correctly the word vet. Put a tick if you got it right. Next word is wig. Wig. Now, you can spell the word wig in 10 seconds. Next word is cobweb. Cobweb. Here's how you spell the word cobweb. Next is wing. Wing. Have here wood. Wood. Our last spelling word is book. Book.